So in this video, we will tell you that why we don't ship free samples to the clothing brands. We know that most of you are the beginners who are just starting their clothing brands. But the one thing is that we have to pay a lot of money to make a sample. That's why we say that the sample will charge like $60 to $100. The process is that when we make the sample, we have to pay extra to our pattern masters. They are not on monthly salary or yearly salary. If they make one thing, they will get paid. So in samples, we have to pay them a large amount of money. The pattern master, it will cost a lot on our sublimation machines. It will cost a lot more on our printing machines and embroidery machines if we do one piece in bulk. It's not that like that we have made one screen for printing, we have made one design for sublimation, so we don't have to pay them a huge amount of money. So even if we pay them a huge amount of money, it is all covered in the bulk orders. We care about you that you are beginners, but if you message me or DM me, we can work on that. I can help you with sampling and I can help you with a lot of more things that you are worried about. When I will make a sample for you, I will show you each and every step via high quality videos. I will show you the fabric. I will make sure that the sample fits. I will make sure everything. This is on me. So that is why we don't ship free samples. This is called professionalism, and the rule is that we can't ship free samples, and it's on like our whole team. The whole team works on it. Here we don't pay them yearly, we pay them for each piece, and if one pays, then they have to work or think a lot. So our workers don't work on yearly or monthly pay, that if I give them the task that do this, they will do that. No, they will get paid for each and every piece they do. Thank you. Just contact me on the given numbers, on the given Instagrams, so we can work together.